Understanding, put the boot in. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, put the boot in. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite interesting once you get to know its meaning and how it's used. So, let's lace up our boots and start exploring. The phrase, put the boot in, is a British idiom that essentially means to attack someone physically. However, it's not just limited to physical attacks. In many contexts, it can also mean attacking or criticizing someone verbally in a very harsh and relentless manner. The boot in this phrase symbolizes the action of kicking someone when they are already down, highlighting the severity or aggressiveness of the attack. While the exact origin of put the boot in is a bit murky, it's widely believed to stem from the early 20th century. The imagery of a boot, a common item worn by everyone, gives a visual cue of the act of kicking, which is associated with aggression and dominance. Over time, this phrase evolved from its literal meaning of physical aggression to include verbal and figurative forms of attack. Using put the boot in conversation requires understanding its connotation. It's often used to describe situations where someone is being particularly harsh or unfair, especially to someone already in a difficult position. Here are a few examples. After the team lost, the media really put the boot in with their criticism. I know you're upset with him, but there's no need to put the boot in while he's down. It's crucial to use this phrase in appropriate contexts, as it implies a level of severity and cruelty. It's interesting to note that put the boot in is more commonly used in British English. In American English, similar sentiments might be expressed using phrases like kicking someone when they're down. This highlights the importance of understanding cultural nuances when learning idioms in any language. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, put the boot in. Idioms like this one add color and depth to the English language, offering insights into cultural attitudes and values. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel more confident using or understanding the phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.